In our first video, we have configured the Vyos router. So now turn to configure the NSX. So let me log into NSX and quickly brief you what exactly we have here as of now. So if I'm going to the topology, we have only configured, and if I'm going to the, so this is what we have configured in the last video, these two routes. So let me quickly configure the EVPN here as well as on the NSX side. So first we need to go to the BGP. We have already defined the peers. We need to enable for each peer we need to enable the route filter for EVPN. So click here, add route filter, make it L2 EVPN and click add, apply, save. The same thing for the another one, add filter, EVPN, add, apply, save and close. The second thing, go little above, configure inline, define the EVPN pool, the pool which we have. I'll show you the setting. I have defined the pool 85001 and 85100. This is the VXLAN VNI pool which we can see here. So we need to define it here. Click on the save, and now click on the external endpoint, click add. So here we need to define the tab H1 tab 1. In our diagram we have configured 10.10.10.2 for the H1. If you look at that one, and H2 tab 1 10.10.10.3 and click save, refresh, close and click on save. Once it's done, so we can see both the edges. Yeah, the configuration wise this is fine. So now we need to go to the route distribution and advertise this so that peer can see these tab IPs. So we need to go to the route distribution, click add EVPN underscore tab, click here, enable EVPN tab, apply, add, apply, save. Now close. So this is the only functionality we need to perform on the tier 0 side. So now we need to define that VRF, red VRF, or we can red VRF T0, we can do it in that way. Connect to tier 1 gateway. Under VRF we need to define this. So this side we have 200.1. Yes, we are using 200. So the RD I am using 200:1, 200:1, and transit I am using 85001. 85001. Route target add route target, manual, import with the 100.1, and export 200.1, add, apply 200.1, 200, and then we need to go to the click on save first, click yes, need to go to the route advertisement, click on the set, add route advertisement, connected, click on set, connected tier 1, apply, add, apply, save, close editing. The same thing we need to do for the blue VRF T0. VRF setting. This is 200.2, blue one, 200.2, 85002, set target, 100:2, advertise 200.2, apply, save, yes. The same thing you need to follow here, route distribution, set here, add, connected, click on set, select it here, apply, add, apply, save, close. Okay, so this T1, this VRF is connected to the T0 gateway both. That is good. Now we are defining or configuring tier 1 gateway. T0 gateway for red, connect to the red tier 0, VRF, nothing, route advertisement, connected, nothing else. It has to be distributed only, and rest all are fine. Save, yes, close editing, and let me quickly modify the name. Save. Tier 0 gateway, blue, distributed only, blue tier 0 gateway, route advertisement, all connected, click on save. I forgot to connect this one to the tier 0, click save. I have advertised this connected as well as, okay, perfect. So now jump to the segment, add segment, segment underscore red, connected to the tier 1, wait, oh sorry, edit it. These are the T1, so T1, save it, edit this one as well as, close editing, T1 gateway blue. Save. Close editing. Now segment. Edit segment. Segment underscore red. Connect it to the red. Overlay. Define the IP. Segment red is segment at 172.1600.1. 172.1600.1/24. Click on save. Close. Segment blue. T1 gateway blue. One 172.16.200.0. 172.16.200.1/24. Save. No. So let me quickly validate the network. So let's connect to VRF0, tier 1 gateway, red segment blue, tier 1 gateway blue, VRF, and then further is connected to this. Okay. So let's jump to the vcenter server, and we have two VMs, blue and red. Let me power it on and connect blue to the blue segment. Click OK, and red to the red segment. Click on OK and click again OK. So if I'm refreshing it, okay, VMs are connected. So let me jump to the red console option, allow. Okay, so let me initiate a ping. Go here, property. What IP is 100.1. Okay, so this is the IP which I'm concerning. Ping 172.16.100.1. Okay, gateway is reachable for the red, and let me take the console of the blue. Let me initiate a ping from this VM. So first let me see the IP address for this one as well as. So 200.11, right? CMD. .172.16.200.1. Okay, so gateway is also reachable for these two VMs. So now time is come to power on the VLAN backed VMs. So we have two VLAN. So we have two VM, which is one is under the. Let me rename it towards red VLAN and blue VLAN. So we have two VMs, one is a red and one is a blue, and this is connected to the Vyos router. So let me quickly check the connectivity. CMD, or instead of CMD, let me jump to see the IP address. VLAN 20, the IP 620.11. So jump to the CMD. This is a blue VM. Ping.172.60.20.1. Yeah, 20.1 is pinging. And this is a red VLAN VM. And what is the IP here? .11. So jump to the CMD. 172.16.10.1. Okay, this is also pinging. If you're enjoying our content, so don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the notification bell. Thank you.